Welcome back. Now, if you're going to import content from Microsoft PowerPoint into your Word document, that process is actually going to start in PowerPoint. And what you're going to do in your PowerPoint file is you're going to go to the File command. You're then going to click Save As. You're then going to click Export. And then what you're going to do is you're going to click this link that says Create Handouts. You're then going to click this link that says Create Handouts. You can decide on how you want the information into Microsoft Word. And for this sake, we're going to click Choose Outline Only. And what we're going to do now is we're going to click OK. And your content will then be in Microsoft Word. It will be arranged by page as it was inside of your document. Another way to do this would be to go to the View command. And then what you do is you'd go to the Outline View. When you go to the Outline View, what you're going to notice is that you have all of your content in one place. What you could do is you can copy and paste all of your content, right click, and then copy that content. Then you can drop that content into your Word document. Now when you get to the Word document, what you're going to do is you're going to click on your Paste command. You're going to look at your Paste preview, and you can choose which format that you actually want the content to come in. Once you have this content inside of your Word document, you can then begin to work with it as you would any other content. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.